Today we are going to see Unit 20 Organ System in Animal. Our organ system in animal learning object. What are the objects are going to learn from this lesson? Define the digestive system, excretion and reproduction. Understand the various parts of alimentary canal and the process of digestion. Understand the role of enzyme in the process of digestion. Know the organ involved the process of excretion. Understand the role of skin in excretion. Understand the parts of function of an excretory system. Learn the functions male and female reproductive system. Introduction. Living organism evolved from the simplest form of complex level of organism. Simplest form means from the single cell organism to grown to the multicellular organism. The basic fundamental structure is unit is called cell. The cell or the basic functional unit of organism. These are grouped. The cells are grouped, form a tissue. The tissues are into organ. Organ form organ system. Forming an entire organism. Some organ system join. Entire organism will form. The different organ system and organism function depending on the other with the harmonious coordination. All the organ systems are working together, that is harmonious coordination. When the right bicycle muscular system, skeletal system work together, move arms for stitching and leg for pedaling. Nervous system direct arms and legs to work simultaneously. Respiratory, digestive, circulatory system work to provide energy to the muscular system. All the systems are working together in coordination to maintain a body is in a homeostatic condition of an organism. Organ and organ system have appeared first in the phylum platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes we studied in the unit number 17 phylums. Many phylums we studied. In that platyhelminthes is the phylum, third phylum. Fifth phylum Porifera, phylum Coelenterata, phylum platyhelminthes. That is third phylum. Phylum is continuous till mammals. The organ systems are developed. Similar groups of cells form tissue like muscle tissue, nervous tissue. Tissues are organized to form organ like heart, brain, etc. Two or more organs together form a system. That is form a common function like digestive, circular, nervous, impulse, transmission and coordination via digestive system, circulatory system, nervous system respectively. Division of labor are found among the various organ systems. In this chapter, we shall learn about the structure and functions of various organ systems like digestive system, excretory system, reproductive system and etc. First, organ system, organ and function in the human. In animal, integumentary system. Integumentary means skin and skin gland. Function, production and excretion. Skeletal system, skull, vertebral column, sternum, krill and limb. Give support and shaft to form the body. Muscular system, muscle fiber, contraction and relaxation resulting movement. Nervous system, brain, spinal cord and nerves, conduction of nerve impulse. Circulatory system, heart, brain and blood vessel, transportation of respiratory gas, nutritive substances and waste product. Respiratory system, respiratory tract and lungs, breathing. Digestive system, digestive tract and digestive gland, digestion and absorption of the brain. absorption and excretion. Excretory system: kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. Elimination of nitrogenous waste product. Reproductive system: testes and ovary. Gamete formation and development of secondary sexual character. Sensory organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin respectively. Sight, smell, hearing, taste and smell. Touch. Endocrine glands: pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid, adrenal gland, pancreas, pineal, thymus, reproductive gland, etc. Coordination and functions of the organ system. First, human digestive system. In human digestive system, food or we eat contain not only simple substances like vitamin and minerals but also complex substances such as carbohydrate, protein and fat. The body cannot use these complex substances unless they are converted into simple substances. The conversion is digestion. Conversion is digestion. The 5 stages nutrition process like ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and ejection. The process of nutrition being with the intake of food is called ingestion. First process, ingestion. Ingestion means intaking of food. The breakdown of the large complex insoluble molecules into simpler soluble and diffusible. Diffusible means easily assimilated by the tissues particles by the action of digestive enzyme is called digestion. The parts of body concerned with the digestion. What are the parts of the body involved in the digestion to form the digestive system? This is the digestive system. Digestive system is 2 types. One is alimentary canal, digestive tract, the passage starting from mouth to ending with anus. The other one is digestive gland associated with the alimentary canal, salivary gland, gastric gland, pancreas, liver and intestinal gland. Here this is the mouth. Mouth is starting and ending with anus. What are the parts in alimentary canal means mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. This is the alimentary canal. Digestive gland associated with salivary glands, parotid, sublingual and submandibular gland. Let's see one by one. The alimentary canal. Next, structure of alimentary canal, that is starts from mouth to end anus. Buccal mouth, buccal cavity. Buccal cavity means where is the tongue is present, that area is one gap, that is buccal cavity. Pharynx near the esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. Small intestine is consisting duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Large intestine consisting caecum, colon and rectum. Mouth. First, mouth. Mouth leads into the buccal cavity. It's bound by 2 soft movable upper and lower lip. The buccal cavity is a large space bound the palate, which separate the pipe of food pipe. Below the throat and side by the jaw, the jaws of bare teeth. The teeth are hard structure in our body. The hardest part in our body is teeth, holding, cutting, grinding, crushing the food. In human being, 2 set of teeth in their lifetime. 2 set of teeth developed in their lifetime. So it is called dippodont. They means 2. So 2 set of teeth. The first set appearing the 20 teeth called temporary teeth, milk teeth, replaced by the second 32 permanent teeth, 16 in each jaw. Each tooth has the fitted with the gum. That fitting that is called thecodont. The permanent teeth 4 types. So it is called heterodont according to their structure function, namely incisors, premolar and molar. Incisors, canine, premolar and molar. Incisors 8. That function is cutting and biting. Canine 4. Tearing and breaching. Premolar crushing and grinding 8 teeth. Molar 12 teeth crushing and grinding and mastication. Dental formula. Formula means how many teeth are present in the respectively. The number of different teeth are present each half, upper and lower jaw. The types of teeth is canine. Incisors means I, canine means C, premolar PM and molar M. The dental formula present in human. The first set duodenum. So first step milk teeth, temporary teeth. Incisors, canine and premolar 2, 1, 2. That is this half. 2, 1, 2. This half. Here 5, here 5. Totally that of upper jaw 10 teeth. 10 into 2 totally 20 premolar milk teeth. That is temporary teeth. Permanent teeth incisors, canine, premolar and molar. That is this half 8 teeth. This half 8 teeth. Totally 16. Upper jaw 16, lower jaw 16. Totally 32 teeth. Incisors, canine, premolar, molar. Look at this picture. The line is having canine is here. Cow is not having canine and upper jaw is not teeth. Have their shape and teeth are related to their food habit. Salivary glands. Salivary glands is digestive glands. First, 3 salivary glands are present. Parotid. First gland is parotid. Second sublingual and submaxillary or submandibular. Parotid gland is the largest gland. This is the parotid. This is the largest gland. Which is like cheek in front of ears. Greek means par, near. Tide means ear. Near the eye it is present. Next, sublingual gland. Smallest gland lie beneath the tongue. Smallest gland lie beneath the tongue. Next, submaxillary or submandibular gland lie at the angle of the lower jaw. These glands are secreted viscous fluid called saliva, approximately 1.5 liter, 1.5 liter per day. Here the food is digested. Starch by the action of ptyalin enzyme amylase in the saliva, which convert the starch polysaccharide into disaccharide. Poly means many, that is simplest form disaccharide. Saliva also contain antibacterial enzyme called lysozyme, that is help to destroy the bacteria along with the food. First, next mouth, next tongue. Tongue is the maxillary muscular sensory organ that which help the mixing the food with the saliva. The taste bud on the tongue help the recognize the taste of food. Masticated food. Masticated means grinding and making a bolus. That masticated food buccal cavity becomes bolus, which is rolled by the tongue and passed through the pharynx. Pharynx is into the oesophagus by swallowing. During the swallowing, the epiglottis is a muscular flap. Flap means like a closer. The tip of the glottis. It is present, the tip of the glottis, beginning of the trachea. It closes the trachea to prevent the food entering into the trachea, windpipe. Next, pharynx. Pharynx is the membrane lined cavity behind the nose and mouth, behind backside, containing some of the esophagus. It serves as a pathway for the permanent food from the mouth to the esophagus. Food mouth to the esophagus. This is the path. So, esophagus is the food pipe. It is muscular membrane canal about 22 centimeter in length. It conducts food from the pharynx to the stomach. Peristalsis movement. Peristalsis movement means wave-like movement, step-by-step movement. The food is produced by the rhythmic contraction relaxation of the muscular wall of the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal create the rhythmic contraction and relaxation. The food is moved from the mouth to stomach through the esophagus. The wave-like movement, that is peristalsis. Stomach. The stomach is a wide J-shaped muscular organ located between the esophagus and small intestine. The gastric glands are present inside the stomach, secrete gastric juice. The gastric juice is colorless, highly acidic, containing mucus, hydrochloric acid, enzyme renin and pepsin. Renin is present only in the infant. Infant means newborn baby. Inactive pepsinogen is converted active pepsin which act on the protein ingested food. Ingested means swallowed food. Hydrochloric acid kill the bacteria swallowed along with the food, makes them as medium acidic while mucus protect the wall of the stomach. And the HCl hydrochloric acid is diluted because protect the wall of the stomach. The action of gastric juice curing the food in the stomach convert the bolus into the semi-digested food called chyme. The bolus is came from the mouth to stomach. Here the bolus is converted into semi-solid digested food called chyme. The chyme moves into the small intestine slowly through the pylorus. Here renin causes curdling milk. Milk is converted into curdling, increases the digestion of protein. Renin is converted angiotensinogen into angiotensin. Regulate the absorption of water, sodium from the glomerulus. Glomerulus is present in the reproductive system inside the kidney. Thank you, children. Next class we will see small intestine, function of small intestine.